Hi. Experiment reveals that fever and cough is more harmful for coronavirus than that of microorganism and bacteria. Some experiment reveals that the type of for this type of news I have come with the link also given here with the in the figure, and also with that I am promoting my website. My name is Tomal Das. ttweb.in is my website through which we used to provide this type of newses. Also have given the link of that particular site from where I have the source of the news, and also we used to do basic computer courses with that site. Also provide C++, VB, Java tuitions, sell dry fruits, and provide designing on banners, flex posters. Thank you for visiting our sites. Call is 8420879158. Email